close your eyes and rest your hands on your knees. Bring your awareness into your body. Make sure your back is straight, your feet flat to the floor, your body supported by the chair you are sitting in. Bring your awareness to your neck. Ensure your neck is aligned with your spine. Your shoulders are back and your head is sitting comfortably. Now notice how your face is feeling. Allow the muscles to relax. Allow your eyes to soften, the tension in your forehead to ease, and your jaw to drop slightly. Now take a few deep breaths. As you breathe deeply, relax your shoulders, your hands, legs, and stomach. Bring your attention to your breath and notice how the air enters your nose or mouth, travels down your throat, filling your lungs with the oxygen we need. Follow the breath, and as the air travels back up and out through your nose, your body naturally relaxing as you do this. Allow your breathing to be natural and notice your stomach and chest rise and fall with each breath you take. As you breathe in, notice how the air feels at the tip of your nostrils. Maybe it feels cold. Maybe there's a tingle as you trace the breath through your nose. Notice how the air feels as it passes back out through your nose. Maybe you notice it feels warmer as it travels back out into the space around you. When your mind wanders, which it will, this is completely normal. Just take a moment to notice what it is it's doing. Then bring your attention back to your breath. Breathing in and breathing out. Focus on the feeling of your breath and allow your thoughts and feelings to come and go in the background. Allow them to come and go like clouds in the sky. Now, bring your attention back to your body. Bring your attention to the contact between you and the chair that supports you. And when you are ready to do so, open your eyes.